to understand what a power pack will look like on your app, you have to kind of do a little visualization. So first you have to imagine a slot machine where different reels are spinning and different combinations of information appears in a sequence, and certain sequences are a match. So let's take that over to a paper version of the Power Pack. And so this one happens to be a block area activity where we're teaching attributes of shapes and symbolizing. So what happens is that just like in the slot machine, there are reels or columns or cards. And the first one is what we call what to teach, when to teach, where to teach, what to teach with, and how to teach. So these are in essentially a sequence, so that you start from the left and you spin until you get the combination you want, and this creates a little power pack. So in this instance, we are teaching attributes of shape, and we're teaching symbolizing. So what happens, if you remember back when you were a kid and there were flip books, you can flip different things. For example, you can flip, and here we talk about different materials that we might use. We might use the strategy of self-talk. You can flip again, and this time it's still with blocks, maybe some print materials, and we're going to use demonstration. Flip again. This time we've changed the materials a little bit, but we can use demonstration again to work on symbolizing. And we can even have blank reels or blank cards where we can make up our own sequence. So if I want to teach attributes of shape at center time in the block area, I can come up with something different in terms of materials, maybe something like puppets, and then I can come up with my own strategy. So the idea is that the app will allow the user to flip either sections, like in this instance, what to teach with and how to teach, or even can flip the first three columns and make multiple sequences. So if you go back to our slot machine analogy, hit sort or spin, and you would come up with different combinations or different sequences of how to teach something. And in this example, we're working on how to teach attributes of shape and symbolizing, and we're going to use different materials and different strategies as we flip through and change different parts. In this instance, here's another example. We can change just the how, and we can leave the what, the where, the when, and the what to teach. And all of this creates a sequence, or what we call a power pack.